So hello friends, hope you're all fine. So today we will talk about the optional subject public administration. Okay. So guys, you must be preparing up for this UPSC and state PSC exams. Now you must have seen that some of the guys clear the prelims and they are unable to crack the mains exam, or if they are able to crack the mains exam, they are unable to crack the the interview part because of many factors. Okay, so they try after one attempt, they appear in the second attempt, and then the subsequent attempt, but they are not eventually able to cross the hurdle of interview. What is the reason? Guys, as you guys know, that prelims is just a screening test in this exam, UPSC and state PSC. Okay, so mains exam is basically the really mains exam, as the name suggests. Okay, so mains exams comprises of 4 papers of general studies, that is 250 into 4, that is 1000 marks. 2 papers of optional subject, that is 250 into 2, that is 500 marks. So optional subject covers 500 marks, and that is a huge number. Okay, general studies more important than the optional because it comprises 1000 marks, that is a double the weightage. Okay, but we cannot ignore the optional subject. One more important thing is there, that in general studies the syllabus is so huge that you just cannot cover it. You just cannot cover the whole syllabus. Nobody on this planet can cover the whole syllabus of general studies. Okay, some leave some part, some leave the other part, but one cannot cover the whole syllabus. Eventually, when it hardly matters how much you study, eventually when you will go to the examination hall, you will find that many questions will be there in the paper which you have not covered in the syllabus. Okay, they may come from current events, they may come from history, they may come from CSAT, or they may come from any other part. Okay, so here lies the difference. The optional subject has a syllabus. Okay, general studies too has a syllabus, but it is uncoverable. The whole syllabus cannot be covered at any cost, but optional subject syllabus can be covered easily. Okay, given the thing that you have about 4 to 5 months at your hand, and you are preparing the optional subject along with your general studies, you won't feel any difficulty. You will cover the whole syllabus in just 4 to 5 months. Okay, and I will assure you that public administration syllabus will just be covered in 3.5 to 4 months. Okay, why? I will give you the reasons. Okay, I will give you the reasons. Now, as far as public administration is concerned, it is such an optional which deals with public administration. Public administration means government administration. Okay, so eventually when you are going to be an administrator, deputy collector, tahsildar, whatever, what you will have to do practically there, you will have to public administration. You will have to do public administration, or you will have to do government administration. This one is the same thing. Okay, so this is the subject which you eventually have to practice when you become a civil servant. Okay, so there is no difficulty in studying this subject. It will make you so much benefited from its studies because it will cover many parts of your general studies. Okay, I will tell you which parts. Number 1, it will cover your polity, almost whole polity. It will cover your whole governance part, and it will cover your current polity, and it will cover your current governance. So 4 parts are totally covered. Okay, apart from that, in the interview stage, when a guy comes with public administration optional subject, the interviewers are really very happy, and they ask you questions. If you become a deputy collector, what will you do? How will you implement the public administration theories when you become a civil servant? And these things will be handy when you will appear in the interview. Okay, so my advice to you guys is keep this public administration optional. Okay, and prepare for it. Okay, we prepare the students in just 3.5 months for public administration, both the papers. Okay, a maximum 4 months, maximum 4 months. Okay, paper 1 consumes a little more than paper 2. Okay, so eventually when you will study polity in public administration and when you will study polity in general studies, your polity subject and your governance subject is doubly prepared. Okay, and when it is so prepared, you will get so many marks in general studies as well as in public administration. Okay, now we'll come to the paper 1, that is theory part of public administration. Some people say that theories are very difficult. Okay, I will say to you that theories are very easy. Okay, scientific management theory, okay, behavioral theory, these are very easy theories. Okay, you can cover the theories chapter in just 1 week. Okay, administrative behavior you can cover in 1 week. Okay, introduction part you can cover in 1 week. You give just 4 weeks, that is 1 month, and you will 70% of paper 1 will be covered. One important thing, in fact 2 important things are needed in public administration. Number 1, vocabulary, good vocabulary of not general English but good vocabulary of public administration terms. These terms we will teach you when you will prepare for public administration, and when you will put these terms in the paper, in the answer sheet, you will get so many marks. Okay, so many marks, because these terms will make your answer very beautiful. Okay, and the examiner is looking forward for these terms. And the second thing which I talked about is current events. When you will see current events in the newspaper regarding public admission, regarding polity, regarding governance, you just jot them down on your notes and put them into your answer sheets. Okay, so they will fetch you so many marks. Okay, so eventually you will end up getting many marks in public admission subject. Okay, in other subjects are very static. For example, geography, history, pole science. Even pole science is very static subject. That is not that is international relation is somewhat dynamic, but apart from international relation, pole science is very static. But it is not so with public administration. Public administration is changing every day. Okay, and dynamic subjects have a reputation of fetching you good marks. Okay, so we will help you get good marks in public admission, and when you will have good marks in your public admission subject, you will definitely have good marks in your general studies subject also, because polity and governance and current affairs are replicated there also. Okay, so our motto is to provide you more than 100 marks edge over other students. So keep public administration, okay, subject, this is a very good subject. Okay, and if you want to contact to us, we will provide you the phone number in comment section, and you can contact to us. Okay, we are going to start a fresh batch very soon. We will notify the dates for that. Thank you guys.